Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we share all things beauty with a touch of expertise. Today, we're focusing on a product that's designed to bring moisture back to dry hair, the Moroccanoil Hydrating Conditioner. This product promises to hydrate, detangle, and restore that much-needed moisture balance to your locks. So, let's see if it truly lives up to the hype. Now, we're all familiar with Moroccanoil. They're known for their rich, nourishing formulations that cater to dry and damaged hair. The hydrating conditioner is no exception. It comes in a smooth, lotion-like formula that's designed to help combat the dryness and frizz that can make hair feel lifeless and unruly. Infused with Moroccanoil's signature argan oil, it claims to provide intense moisture, making it a go-to for those of us dealing with hair that needs a bit of love. The first thing that stands out about this conditioner is its ingredient list. Paraben-free, it avoids some of the harsh chemicals that can strip hair of its natural oils, which is a huge plus in today's clean beauty landscape. The key ingredient, argan oil, is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that help to condition the hair, improving its elasticity and smoothness. In my experience, the conditioner has a rich, luxurious feel. It's easy to apply and spreads through the hair without too much effort, which is great if you have thick or long hair. When I used it, my hair instantly felt softer and the detangling process was effortless. I was able to comb through my hair without worrying about breakage, which can sometimes be a concern with other hydrating products that weigh the hair down. When it comes to performance, the product definitely delivers on its promise. After a few uses, I noticed my hair felt more hydrated, less frizzy, and visibly shinier. It didn't leave any greasy residue behind, which is something I appreciate in a conditioner. Some deep conditioning formulas can feel heavy or leave your hair feeling weighed down, but Moroccanoil Hydrating Conditioner manages to provide moisture without that limp or greasy feeling. Now, like every product, there are a few things to consider. One downside I found is that it can be a bit on the pricier side, especially if you're on a budget. However, considering how long the bottle lasts and the quality of the product, it might be worth it if you're looking for something that consistently nourishes dry hair. For those who are looking for alternatives, there are other hydrating conditioners available at a lower price point, such as Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner or OGX's Coconut Milk Conditioner, which are both known for their moisturizing properties. While they may not have the same luxury feel or concentrated formula as Moroccanoil, they still get the job done at a more accessible price. When it comes to packaging, I appreciate the sleek, professional design Moroccanoil uses. The pump is easy to use and ensures you don't waste product, which is great because this is a formula you don't want to overuse. A little goes a long way. The scent is another factor worth mentioning. It's fresh and light, without being overpowering, which I think most people will appreciate, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. In terms of longevity, I've noticed that with continued use, the product doesn't lose its effectiveness. My hair remains soft and hydrated throughout the day, and it's been easy to maintain a healthy moisture balance with regular use. Moroccanoil's customer support is also known for being responsive, though I've never had to reach out myself, as the product's performance has been consistently reliable. So, what's the final verdict? If you have dry or dehydrated hair and you're looking for a conditioner that will truly bring it back to life, Moroccanoil Hydrating Conditioner is an excellent choice. It hydrates without weighing down your hair and leaves it feeling softer, shinier, and more manageable. Yes, it's on the expensive side, but for those who want a luxury experience and results you can feel, it's a great investment. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so we can continue bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this product if you've tried it. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.